Ay.
Okay. Dapat, ang hahanapin mong first clue para sa treasure mo, nandito sa sala. Either nandito, o nandyan. Pili ka na. Kailangan hanapin mo yung sulok-sulok na.
TV.
Hindi, ikaw gana. Para. Okay!
Bilis ah.
TV. Left your phone message. Aba?
Okay, basa.
Nancy Drew wants to greet you Happy Mother's Day, but now you must uncover a treasure for Nancy's sake. Parang ano ni dati. It's of great importance, I must say. And no, as you might guess, it's not cheap. You always need it, I'm sure. It's one of your dilemmas that I can see. All you have to do is find it in a drawer. The next clue is hidden outside in something of sentimental value, I believe.
Okay, sentimental value. Labas tayo, labas.
Wait lang. Ay!
Ano ba yung video na ito?
Stop.
Nabibidyo ka ba talaga?
Oo naman. Outside.
Outside. Okay, pili ka ulit.
Ba yan, dami sinampay. Hindi ko kayo makita.
Dito sa tambo, o kaya sa basurahan. Sige.
Bakit sa jeep?
Bakit jeep?
Sentimental value.
Tama!
Ay, yung book. Doon sa lahat ng book.
O, hala.
Nakita siguro ni mami kanina.
Grabe, ang hirap naman ito, Jay.
Hindi ako nagtago niya ha. Si Jay nagtago niyan. Ay, di lang dahil. Diyan, tingnan mo si mami doon.
Okay, basa.
Hindi mo pansin. Basa.
Okay, second clue daw. Second clue.
Pataw sa kanya. Ay, yun!
Okay.
E.T. phone home. Please leave a message.
Basa.
Robert Ludlum also got the message and sent you his warmest greetings. He knew you as a big fan in the early age. He said you mustn't waste time and find the hidden booty. The treasure's next clue is cave between two trees with golden edges. Be quick, for under the sun you might be baked. Use your 4 eyes and look for unusual damage.
Okay, dahil meron yung damage at umulan, dapat lalabas tayo. Yes. Kaso, natira dahil umulan. So, dito tayo sa loob. Ano ba?
Hindi.
Come here. Sasala ulit tayo. Okay. Okay, pili. Here, dito sa dalawang to. Order in the blank.
Order in the branch.
Blind. Oh my God! Dirty!
Yan!
Ano pa sa labas?
Ayun na, kita mo agad.
Very good. Galing po kayo yung kami, ha?
Magandang treasure, hunter. Yan.
Okay. Basa.
Oh, pag yung video.
Huwag akong banggitin na naman.
Dami Unusual damages. You are nearly home, says E.T. Keep going. Exciting.
Basa.
Wow, butones. How can Anne Rice forget? She knew you read her books with so much gusto. And you must be a big fan too, I bet. Your passion for books weighed you so. You must be dizzy now. Don't worry. The next clue is hidden behind. Congratulations. You're nearly there and you can finally say bow. Hide inside and in a room. To your surroundings, you must pay attention.
Okay, para mas mahirap, ganito ha. Pili ka ng tatlong rooms. Kwartong blue, kwartong green, kwartong pink.
Kwartong blue, pink, saka green. Yes. Pink.
Okay, kaya natin. Basahin mo yung clue ha. Andiyan ang
Next clue is hidden behind.
Hindi ba ko maila?
behind. Congratulations. Congratulations, Benson.
Hindi ba ko na maila?
Hindi na pa yung si mami ha.
Wala.
Okay, okay, mali. For the first time, namali si Mami. Namali si Mami. Blue o green?
Uy, congratulations.
Blue. Sa blue. Black.
Pinapahirapan niyo si mami mo?
Sayang!
Behind congratulations.
Oh.
Baka may daga.
Anak.
Easy as so and so are you.
Okay, basa.
Basa.
Ay, karan. Hi, Beth.
Wow, hanger! Blouse! The rest of the Delaver family forgot. They had Alzheimer's disease and misplaced the treasure. But hey, you got the clue, did you not? Great, now we can know where is it, I'm sure. As I can remember, it's hidden in a cave, full of water and mountains of apparel. Unfortunately, it's damaged and did not behave. And now, because of it, we now all quarrel.
Okay, so ang clue mo dyan?
Huwag ka na maingay. Hindi mo naman.
Full of water and mountains of apparel.
Meaning?
Meaning, dyan.
No.
Tubig? May tubig ba dyan?
May tubig ba dyan?
Ate sa mga maliit.
Game. Tingnan natin. Bakit nakalas na yan? Full of water.
Hindi, buksan mo ilaw sa
Full of
banyo.
water. Payong.
No. Full of water. Come outside na lang.
Yeah! Galing ko talaga. It's your phone home. Congratulations, woman of substance. Happy Mother's Day. Your children love you every day. All you have to do is collect the code numbers found in the clue.
Clue pieces is the, nakabikit.
Pieces are in the safe sequence to open the treasure.
Where's the treasure? The treasure's in here too. Go make some...
Uy, wag mo muna bubuksan, ha?
Okay, game.
Sasabog yan pag binuksan mo.
Ipunin mo muna yung mga, mga nandyan, mga nakabikit. Ay, wait lang. Isa-isa mo ilagay dyan. Hanger.
Dapat mauuna yung isa.
Fine.
Diba? Mauuna.
Hindi na ako magkakasunod yan, May. Lagay mo na muna doon yung letter.
Hindi, sabi ko na ito.
Wait, hawakan ko. May tatapong ba yun?
Beep boop, beep boop. Beep boop.
Ano ba itong sabi ni daddy mo?
Yes! Okay na. Ngayon, tignan mo yung mga nasa likod nila. Tapos kailangan, pagkasunod-sunod din may numbers nila.
Pwede lumabas na tayo mula sa washing machine.
Okay, sige.
Dala lights, ha?
Hirapan niya na yung picture.
Dahil madilim.
Here. Okay.
Ano ba ito?
Okay.
Kasali ako dyan, no?
Meron dyan. Diyan number.
5.
5.
Ito,
Kailangan sunod-sunod,
1. Ito yung 2. Ay?
1 din.
Bakit?
Hindi. May code yan.
Basta idikit mo lang sila dyan.
Sige lang.
Okay.
I-ano mo lang. I-gano mo lang.
Hoy!
0. 8. Okay, game. Gumawa kang
Uy,
combination.
kulang. Ayan.
Gagawa ko ba? Ano
Clue is... Ang sagot na yun. It's because it's Mother's Day. Pag-click mo dyan, kami mo tatanggal.
Gagawa ko combination.
Basta click mo lang.
Ano click ko?
I-click mo mamaya. Ano ba? Ano na bang nabuo mo?
Sige. 8.
Noink, mali.
1.
Meng, mali. Mag-isip ka naman, mami. But yung mga numbers na yan symbolizes Mother's Day. Literally.
Mother's Day 5.
Beep!
Click ni Mami. Hindi mo
Click mo.
Hindi mo. Click mo, Mami.
Sunod.
Paano maging yung number ng Mother's Day? 3.
No.
Wala namang 3.
Wala naman 3.
Basta Mother's Day. Bilis, isip pa.
2.
Walang do, ano ba, Mami?
Eh, 1-1, oh.
Hindi, isa lang yan.
Anong number ito?
1 yan, 1 yan.
1108.
0. Click.
Kala, nahuhula ka ni Mami kahit di niya alam.
Ay, dad ko 50.
No.
May number
Mother's
ba?
Day nga eh. Mayroon pa, lahat yan magagamit mo. So, tapos na tong
Okay,
8.
sige.
Ay, tapos na tong 0. Tapos na yung 5.
Okay, 1.
Make.
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 8.
Yun na, 8. Hindi mo pala nagayang mo.
Iba na.
Then, number symbolizing Mother's Day. Mother's Day. Mother's Day.
Yung letter ng mother.
No.
5.
No.
Ano lang ba natitira, Mami?
1.
Okay, 1. Pink. Pink. At malamang,
1.
hindi mo pala nag-get.
9.
50811.
Okay. Grabe.
Click mo yan, click mo yan.
Click yan.
Yay!
Oh, okay,
Buksan natin.
Ikaw ang bukas. Huwag na, Mami, naka-cut tape ko naman, no?
Hindi, naka-scotch tape.
Okay. Happy Mother's Day.
Oh, Ben.
Wow!
Yay! Yay!
Yellow. Hinahanap din din kanina yung yellow na t-shirt mo. Hinayang mo sa kanyang pitubo. Tapos ang, wow!
Ano yung t-shirt ang sinasabi?
Wow! Ganda!
Uy, ayun, sama.
I'm
Sama.
sure ka,
Yung mga jacket mo, kasi sa akin.
Game.
Wala, hindi kahit kasi sa akin.
Yay!